Ever been rejected for an apartment? Or told you can't get that new car, or even a phone plan before you even start? If you're between 18 and 25 and have no idea what your credit score is, or if you even have one, you're not alone. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to start building your credit from zero. Ready for your financial superpower? Let's go. Let's talk about why this stuff suddenly matters. Your credit score is like a secret key. It opens doors to apartments, cars, even some jobs. Ever tried applying for something and heard, "We check your credit"? That score is how grown-up life decides if you get the stuff you want. Most 18 to 25-year-olds start with either no score or a low one. That's not your fault. It's just that you don't have any credit history yet. The system literally doesn't know you. But here's the good news. It only takes a few smart moves to get started and avoid mistakes almost everyone else makes. So, what actually is a credit score? It's a 3-digit number, usually between 300 and 850, that measures your history of paying money you've borrowed. Most people your age start out invisible. No score at all. What makes up a score? Payment history, how much you owe, how long you've had credit, the types of credit, and new credit you've added. But don't stress the details. Remember the CRED rule. C for consistency. Always pay on time. R for responsible limits. Don't use all you have. E for early start. Start now, don't wait. D for don't overdo. No need to open tons of accounts. You don't even need a credit card right away to start. The most important thing is to be seen as reliable. How to start building credit. Let's break down exactly what you can do today. First, open a starter credit account. Most popular options: get a secured credit card, a student card, or ask your parent or a close adult if you can become an authorized user on their card. When picking a card, look for these things: no annual fee, low starting limit, reports to all 3 main credit bureaus. Second, use your credit but don't abuse it. Here's the trick. Pick one small thing you already pay for each month, like Netflix, Spotify, or gas for your car. Put it on your new card, and then pay the bill off in full, not just the minimum, before the due date. Never use more than 30% of your credit limit. If your card has a $300 limit, keep your monthly purchases under $100. The less of your limit you use, the better. Third, pay something regularly. If you don't have a card yet, consider apps or services that get your on-time rent, phone, or utility payments reported to the credit bureaus. Every month of on-time payment boosts your score.
Let's save you from the facepalm stuff that hurts credit fast. 1.
Don't miss payments, not even for a day. Late payments stick on your record for years. 2. Don't max out your card thinking you'll get more points or credit. It actually drops your score. Use what you need, pay it off, repeat. 3. Don't open a bunch of cards to build faster. One starter account is enough. 4. Watch out for buy now, pay later traps. Those easy pay plans might look cool, but a single missed payment can tank your score. Quick recap. Always pay on time. Stick to one account at first. Never go above 30% of your limit. Don't fall for credit hacks that sound too good to be true. Practical Application Challenge. Here's your Credit Starter Challenge. Ready? Pick one first action. Research a secured or student card online, talk with a trusted adult about becoming an authorized user, or set up your bill payment notifications now. Set a reminder on your phone right now to check your score or account in 1 month. Your score probably won't appear overnight, but by starting now, you could see your number and your financial options go up in just a few months. Summary and next steps. Let's recap. You learned the CRED formula: consistency, responsible limits, early start, don't overdo it. You know to open one account, pay it off in full, and never miss a payment. If you do one thing today, set up your account or plan your first on-time payment. You'll unlock your first credit score and be one step closer to your next car, apartment, or job. If you found this helpful, share with a friend so you both start strong. Check out the cheat sheet linked below and come back in 1 month to track your progress. You're building your future, one smart move at a time.